3 steps to making money online, and this is from someone who's made 2 million already through his funnels. If you are an online coach, in particular a spiritual coach, healer or therapist, practitioner, and you are wanting to either start, build or grow your online spiritual coaching business, then this video is for you. Depending on where you are along your business journey, I still feel this video is for you because you will get to know the 3 steps that have definitely helped me along my business journey. So let's get straight into it. Hi, my name is Jen Lillian and I help online spiritual coaches, healers and therapists supercharge their online coaching business to success. And I also have the Soul Central directory, which goes out to over 10,000 plus intuitives, soul searchers and seekers, manifestors. So if you are an online coach and you believe that that particular audience resonates with you and that's who you target, and you're like a free listing for me to promote your business for free, then let me know down below. You just need to subscribe to this channel, also like the video and comment free listing, and I'll send over that information to you for your free listing. Okay, so step number 1, the 3 things you must do in order to make money online. Now, it's always about having the right mindset. In my own experience, I've been in business since 2012 and I've operated businesses from many different mindsets, and I can assure you the scarcity mindset is definitely not a mindset for you to be operating a business from. I truly believe that a business is an extension of you, and if your business is doing well, that usually means that you are doing well from within. It's always an inner game. It's always about doing the inner work, and having the right mindset for business is definitely what's going to push you through the highs and the lows of business. I might post that video that I did many years ago. I just declared and showcased my experiences when I had depression from business burnout, and I was still operating business. I haven't operated business in the last decade, but I can honestly say, looking back, that was probably the hardest time for me getting results in my business, because my stress levels, my anxiety, my whole way of thinking really did make a dent and an impact on my business results. So I might launch that video another time just to keep people in the loop, because people do tend to think that when you have experienced really bad negative impacts of stress, depression and anxiety, and from my experience, as mentioned, it came from business burnout, you can learn a lot from those experiences. I personally don't think when you are struggling with such mental challenges that it's a bad thing. It's there for you to learn from. So for sure, operating from a great or the greatest mindset that you can have at any one time is always a daily practice. It's definitely one of the main things that you need in order to start making money online. Okay, so number 2, I think, is to have the right mechanics in place in your business. I mean systems, a robust lead and client generation system. So if you're brand new to the whole world of online, usually you do need assets in your business in order for you to run a business successfully. Yes, we can all sit down, buy a Mac and message people online. But if you were coming to sell your business at a later date, I've sold a few businesses before in my time, people need to see things that are working and that are tangible. And no one can sell a business when they're just messaging people via Messenger Facebook. So you need to put the right systems in place into your business in order for you to have a life outside of your business, and for you to pass over to someone who can manage your business for you, and for you to also sell your business if you're wanting an exit strategy later on down the line. So having a funnel, a messenger bot, a Facebook campaign, whatever it might be, there are loads of different ways in order to have a strong, robust, either paid or free, or I always suggest to my clients do a combination of free and paid, or marketing and advertising strategies. But to have that robust lead and client generation system in your business is definitely the way forward. And number 3 is definitely get someone in your corner to show you how to do things. I really do see, and I did this myself in my early days, I really did think that learning everything yourself is the way forward. And I think everyone just goes through this process, this phase in business, when they feel they need to learn everything themselves. And I can tell you, yes, I personally know a lot. I really, really do know a lot in business, but how many months or years did I just allocate to learning such skills and techniques and strategies? And this whole online world is forever changing. So the shortcut is always get yourself involved with a mentor. Get yourself involved with the mentorship. Now, obviously, I can help people like yourself with your online coaching business, but in particular, I really want to plug one of my preferred partners, Ryan Wegner. He is a couple of steps ahead of me. He's actually made now 2 million in one of his funnels, and I've learned a lot of what I know today from him. And depending on what pockets you have, whether you have a few thousand to invest into your business to really push things forward, or even a couple of hundred, he actually offers the Elite Coaching Mastermind, which is a monthly program. I'm involved with that as well. I'm actually an affiliate for Ryan Wegner because he's been in my corner for the last few years. He's such a great guy, and he's very straight to the point. A bit like me, really. I like to be as transparent as possible. And if you would like a helping hand, someone like him, I can definitely refer you over to, because he's absolutely solid and sound. I can do the things that he does because obviously I'm taught by him, but I do slightly different strategies when I help my clients. But my main thing here is to rely on to you. Just make sure you're not on your own, because it's very easy to fall into the trap that you must learn everything in your way of thinking and doing your business. But I can tell you that is definitely a very slow way of getting results in your business if you are learning everything from the ground up. So they are the 3 things. I'm just going to recap for you. The first one is to make sure you have a great positive mindset. Always work on your mindset every day for better results. The second one is to have systems in your business in place to generate those high quality leads and clients into your business with ease, and that you can scale up and also maybe sell in the future as an exit strategy. And the third one is to build yourself a team around you. Be mentored by someone. At least do something. Don't do everything on your own and learn everything from the ground up. It's definitely the longer way of doing things, and in my experience I would have saved myself a lot of headaches along the way. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you are really interested in becoming a contributor to the Soul Central directory, I do offer a free listing in the Soul Central directory. As mentioned, it does go out to over 10,000 plus intuitives, soul searchers and seekers, and manifestors. And if you do feel they are your crowd and you want to position your business in front of them, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment below. Free listing. And I'll reach out to you and give you more information. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Here's to your business success.